If a blackout hit right now, would you be ready? Meet the FosPower Emergency Weather Radio, your all-in-one survival tool that goes way beyond AM, FM. This little beast packs NOAA weather alerts, a 2000 mAh power bank, LED flashlight, and even a reading light. And yes, it works without power thanks to its solar panel, hand crank, and backup battery options. Imagine being stuck during a storm. No power. No signal. You need updates fast. With the FosPower Radio, just a few cranks and boom, you're tuned into emergency weather channels, charging your phone, and lighting up your surroundings. Built rugged and IPX3 water resistant, it's made for the unexpected, camping trips, hurricanes, or even zombie apocalypses. Plus, it's lightweight and fits easily in any go bag. If you're serious about preparedness, this is a no-brainer. Tap the link below, grab yours, and stay connected when it matters most.